Everyone, lovely question here. We have this regular hexagon with this constructed line over here with a 45-degree angle. This side is extended until it meets at this vertex. We have this side over here that's been divided into this portion length 2 units and this part y units, and we want to find out the length of y. So the first thing that we can do is we know we have a regular hexagon, so all these sides are the same length. And now what we can do is find out the internal angles of the hexagon. The way that we do that is by using the formula 180 times n minus 2 over n, where n is the number of sides. So that's 6 sides, minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180 is 720, divided by 6 is 120 degrees. And let's just go ahead and label a few of those. So the next thing that we're going to do then is construct this blue line here. What we now have is a trapezium, and it's a regular trapezium, which means that this angle at the base and this angle at the base are the same. So we can go ahead and work out the size of those angles. If you have another way of working out that angle, let me know in the comments below. So we can then take 2 of these angles plus 120 plus 120 equals 360, because that is a quadrilateral. So 2 of the angles plus 240 equals 360. And subtract 240 from both sides. So this yellow angle is 60 degrees. So we have this is 60, which means that this here is 60. We can now construct this line over here. That means that this angle over here must be 60 plus 45. And then what we would do is we would take that away from 120, giving us 15. This here is an isosceles triangle, so these base angles are the same. So 120 from 180 is 60 divided by 2 is 30. So those are both 30. And then the sum of these angles must all be 120. So this is 15 as well. And lastly, we can work out this angle. 120 minus 30 is 90. So we're going to find out if we can get this length here, which we'll call A. And we can actually do that by using the law of sines. And we are going to use this side A with this opposite angle, and we're going to use this side here, which we'll call B, with that opposite angle. So A over sine A equals B over sine B, where sine of A is sine 60, B is 2, and sine of B is sine 15. Multiply both sides by sine 60. So we get 2 sine 60 over sine 15, and that is A. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do then is, because we know this length here, and we have this angle, which is opposite side y, and we have this angle opposite side A, we can use the law of sines again. Now we would say that y over sine of y equals A over sine of A. So y we don't know, sine 15. Then A is obviously 2 sine 60 over sine 15. We can multiply both sides by sine 15. Okay, these will obviously cancel out, leaving us with 2 sine 60 over sine 90. Sine 60 is square root 3 over 2, and sine 90 is 1. The 2's cancel out, leaving me with square root 3 over 1, which is square root 3. So y is square root 3. That's a lovely question. As always, if you have an alternative solution, please pop that in the comments below. And if you do find this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.